Hi guys, so this is the sixth paper and the first question, the interior angle of regular polygon is 4 times. So 4 times of its exterior angle. Find the number of sides. So how to find the number of sides? For that, first of all, we have to find out the magnitude of the exterior angle, then easy for us. So to find out the exterior angle, here they have mentioned like this, the interior angle of a regular polygon is 4 times of its exterior angle. If the exterior angle is x, then the interior angle is 4 times of that, so we have to write that as 4x. So now you can see there's a straight line, so the sum of the adjacent angle is equals to 180. So 4x plus x is equals 180. Now we can find out the value of this exterior angle. So 4x plus x is 5x, and that's equals to 180. Now can divide them both by 5. So x is equals 36. So now we have found the magnitude of the exterior angle, and the sum of all the exterior angle is equals to 360 of any polygon, right? So we have the total sum, it's 360, and the magnitude of one exterior angle is 36. So if we divide them both, we'll get the number of sides. So 36 to 36 can cancel 1 and 0, so just 10 sides. Okay, so moving to the second question. Now they are asking us to find the logarithm of m into m. Log m into m. So we can write like that. We can write like this, log m into n. And if there's a multiplication, when we are dividing into two parts, that will be plus. Okay, fine. And now we have the magnitudes of log m. So the substitution of log m is 0.7440, and plus log n they have given that as 0.9432. So now we can add them both. 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 4 8, and 7 plus 9 is 16. So the answer is 1.6872. And the third question, the distance between two towns is 5 centimeter in a map drawn to the scale 1:20,000. Find the actual distance between the two towns. So how to find the actual distance of the two towns? That's very easy, because 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter represents 20,000. So 5 centimeter that's represents, just we have to multiply this by 5. 20,000 will multiply that by 5. So the answer is 0, 0, 5 2s are 10. That means 100,000 centimeters. So they didn't ask in meters or kilometers. If they ask in meters, then what we have to do, should cancel 2 zeros. So the answer is 1000 meters. 1000 meter means it's equals to 1 kilometer. And this one is not much difficult. They have given they are asking us find the value of 2 to the power x plus y when 2 to the power x is 3 as well as 2 to the power y is equals 5. So now how to solve this? Now here in this index you can see there is an addition. So if we separate that into two parts, there will be multiplication. So that's what you have to understand. If there is a plus sign, then we have to multiply both the terms. And now we knew the substitution, 2x is equals 3 as well as 2 to the power y is equals 5. So 3 5s are 15. That's the direct answer. Okay, so here they are asking us to find the mode and the median of the following distribution. So for that, first of all, we have to write them in ascending order. So okay, right, so they are asking the mode. So how to find the mode? Mode means the maximum number of times. So 24 is the answer. So mode is equals, that's 24. And the next question is median. So how to find the median? To find out the median, we have to use this formula, n plus 1 divided by 2. So here n represents the number of elements. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 9 plus 1 it's 10, and 10 divided by 2 is fifth term. So now we'll find out the fifth term. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Again it's 24. So the median also equals to 24. And right now the nth term of a progression is 2n plus 3. So they have given the general term of the nth term, it's 2n plus 3, and they are asking us to find the sum of first 10 terms. So how to calculate the sum of first 10 terms? We can do like this. We'll find out the first term, 2n plus 3. So the first term, to find out the first term, just we have to substitute 1 here, and 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So the initial term is 5. And now we'll find the last term. Last term means the 10th term. They're asking us to find the sum of first 10 terms, so the 10th term will be the last. And 2 tens are 20, 20 plus 3 is 27. So now we have the initial term as well as the last term. So we can, to find out the sum, we can apply this formula n over 2 a plus l. So n 10 divide by 2, and a the initial term 5 and l the last term 27. Now 10 can divide by 2 directly, so 5 and 27 plus 5 is 32. Now here the simplification is 160 is the answer. And this one is pretty interesting question. They're asking us to find the area of this shaded region. So you can see one square is there. So first we'll try to find the area of that square. Area equals length into breadth. So you can see length is 14 as well as the breadth 14. So 14 14s are 196. Now can you find the area of this circle? How much is the radius? Yes, half of this. The diameter is 14, then the radius is 7. So now we can find the area of that circle by using 5r squared formula. So 5 represents 22 over 7 and the radius is 7 into 7. Now we can cancel 7 to 7. 22 7s are 154 centimeter squared. So now we have to find the area of this shaded portion. So how to find out that? So to find out that, first of all we have to take the difference of these two. 196 minus 154. So the remainder is 42. But that's not the answer, because we have to divide that by 4 to obtain the area of this small portion. So 42 divided by 4, you'll get the answer as 10.5 centimeter squared. Now the question number 8. If a car traveled from the town A to town B, which is 150 km away, in 3 hours and returned the same journey in 2 hours, what is the average speed? So they are asking the average speed. So to find the average speed, we have to find out the total distance. The total distance is 150 km and again 150 km. So the total is 300. And the time duration is 3 hours earlier, and for the when they are returning back, when they are coming back, they have taken only 2 hours. So 3 plus 2 is 5 hours. So 300 divided by 5, it's 60 km per hour. So the direct answer is 60 km per hour. It's a very basic question. You can see a certain amount of money divided among Kamal, Sunil and Bimal such that the ratio between Kamal and Sunil is 3:5. Kamal and Sunil, they have given the ratio of Kamal and Sunil as well as Sunil and Bimal. So Kamal to Sunil the ratio is 3:5 and Sunil to Bimal the ratio is 7:4. Now they are asking us to find the ratio of money divided among all three. So how to find out that? Just we have to multiply in this order. 3 to 7, 3 into 7 is 21, and after 7 into 5, 7 5s are 35, and for the last 5 4s are, that's 20. So this is the answer. And this question is related to probability. A box contains 12 ballpoint pens which are equal in size and shape, of which 4 are blue pens, 3 are red pens and the rest are black pens. A pen is taken out at random. Write the sample space. So they are asking us to write down the sample space. So we can write like this: sample space is equals, just we have to write all the outcomes. Here how many blue pens are there? 4. So blue 1, blue 2 and blue 3, blue 4, and the next 3 red pens. So R1, R2 and R3. Okay, and the rest are in black. So for that I am using BC. BC1 black, BC2 and BC3 and BC4, BC5, BC6. So how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So that's enough, I think. Yes, so that's the answer. And after that we have to mention B represents blue and this R represents red, and finally this BC represents black. Okay, we have given the answer. Okay, it's a very famous question. They are asking us to subject C, so that's very easy. So to subject C, first of all what we have to do, which one is for 180, and the relationship is multiplication. So multiplication 180, if we take that, there will be division 180, and now you can see n minus C is remaining. So now we have to take this Now I'm going to change the places. I'm taking this minus c to the left, then there will be plus, and I'm taking this SO 180 to the right, then there will be minus. Minus c, plus s, there will be minus s over 180. That's all. And now see whether your answer is correct or not. Here just we have to simplify. We'll do like this: x into x brackets x squared, and now x should multiply by minus 2, so minus 2x. And now we'll move to this one: 3 into x is plus 3x, and plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6, and minus x squared is remaining. X squared to minus x squared we can cancel. 3x minus 2x, here one in minus and the other one is in plus, so we'll subtract. 3 minus 2x is 1x and minus 6. Find the LCM. It's very easy. 20, 15 and 10. We'll consider only these two numbers, these three numbers, 20, 15 and 10. Can divide by 2 first, so 10, 15 and 5. Again we can divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 15 can't divide exactly, so let it be. And now can divide by 5, 1, 3 and 1. Now we'll divide by 3, 1, 1, 1. 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, and you can see in x the highest index is squared, so we'll take that down, 60x squared. There they are asking us to simplify this, so first we'll multiply 0.9 into 1.2. When we are multiplying, just ignore the decimals and multiply. 2 9s are 18 and 1 9s are 9. Now we'll add 8, 1 plus 9 is 10, and now we'll calculate how many decimals are there. Here 1 and here 1, so 1 plus 1, there are 2 decimals, so we'll take that as 1.08. 1.08. Now we have to add 0.3 for that. In addition and subtraction, just we have to place them in order, right? So 8, just take that down, and 0 plus 3 is 3 and 1 plus 0 is 1, so 1.38 is the answer.